Let's build a few different calendar templates that are yearly here in a sheet, brand new sheet. I'm going to show you some really cool things. Like we're going to use sequence here. We're going to need 365 rows, columns 1. We're going to start at 1 in step 1. And this will be just a list of 1 through 365. We will put equals date here, and the year, we're going to make this a yearly template, so every year it's going to update automatically. Year surrounding today. So today is 2025, but next year, in just a few days, will be 2026, and this should update to that. So we're going to put the year, we're going to put the month, which will be 1 and 1. So this is January 1st, and we're going to take this date and plus 1. So now that's January 2nd. We're going to copy paste it all the way down, and we're going to go down to 365, and we're going to delete every row beyond that. So obviously this won't work in leap years, but we might be able to edit this later, every 4 years. So let's make this a little nicer with quicksand, maybe with a little bit of a header. Put a centered header here. Now this is if we want every day in a column. What if we want it in every row? Let's duplicate this. And this sequence, I'm going to cut and paste right there, but I'm going to use transpose. And now it's telling me I need to insert more columns. But what I need to actually do here, just so that we don't have any issues, I'm going to delete a bunch of rows. Insert more columns, and there we go. I'm going to select all of these and make them a little bit smaller. I'm going to add one more column and move this here, day. I'm going to put date up here. So move this 1 to here, and next to it, do the equals, this, plus 1, and I'll call this yearly row. Paste that. Here we go. We got to 365. Delete everything else. There we got a column for every single day of the year. Let's center all of that. So this could be a task, it could be a list of tasks, it could be a filter, anything you want here. But this is like a nice template for the whole year. What if you wanted it in weeks? Let's see here. So January 1st is a Wednesday, but all we need is 7 columns. And we'll take our first day of the year, put it right there on a Wednesday. Maybe we do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday right there. Do like Monday, and we can drag this all the way across. And we'll click and hold this so that we have these days of the week set. And we want to now equals plus 1, this plus 1. And now when we get here, we need to just set this to that day. Copy paste all the plus 1s. But now, as we skip, we'll take this day equals this plus 7. Just adding 7 to the row above. Let's get a little more space here. Maybe we want to fill that out. And now we can copy and paste this all the way down for however many weeks we want to show, which is probably the whole year. We get down to the last week of the year. Let's delete everything. If you're looking for more templates for the year, check out bettersheets.co/bigyear. It is a free yearly calendar template. It is a single year in one tab. There it is. That's it. All the weekends are highlighted. And it's really one of the best annual planners you've ever seen. And it's absolutely free. Just go to Big Year over on bettersheets.co and get it. It's amazing. Here's someone filling it out on day 1, and a year later. They love it. We love it. We love printing it out, downloading it. I have this, I think 3 of them in my home on the wall. We get to plan the family stuff. We get to plan the business stuff, and then all the extracurricular stuff too. All the big adventures. Check it out. Big Year over on Better Sheets.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.